Hey folks, not just clear blue skies today. You look off to the west, pretty big clouds building out in the western part of the valley. This the view from Sky 5 in Weslaco. Not going to see much of a sunset. There'll be one, of course, and it'll be behind some of those clouds. So it could be interesting. But take a look at the radar and you'll see where things are. And if you notice that big stuff up to the north weakening, but the stuff in Starr County still won't pretty good. So let's go up here. This cell was strong an hour ago as it went through Encino, but look how it's just kind of falling apart as it gets down into southern Brooks County, southern Kennedy County. Another one that's weakening a little bit as it moves to the south, and then some more stuff up in Jim Hogg County. And then what we've got in Starr County, this is a pretty good cell right here, right out in the ranch land, but like everything else, it moves south and fades away. Another just to the north of Roma, up toward New Falcon, that's moving to the south. So these just kind of pop and die, pop and die. That's been the order all day today, and I think we will continue to see that into the evening hours. Future Track suggests that by 11 o'clock, anything that's there is long gone. Most of the storms, just like last night, die, but we're going to keep watching them just in case something sneaks in, and certainly in the ranch lands of Starr County, you'll see more this evening. Tomorrow, I think nothing more than a stray shower. It's a mainly dry day. And then you go into Friday, same kind of thing, partly to mostly sunny, another mainly dry day. We don't see much at all around on Friday. So our rain chances are there, but they're very, very small. 10% tomorrow, 10% Friday, 10% Saturday. Then we begin to ramp the chances up a little bit as tropical moisture gets into the mix. We'll look at the tropics in a second. These are current temperatures: 85 at the beach, 96 in McAllen, 93 in Rio, where they've been in and out of the showers this afternoon. The next 3 days here in Weslaco, our average high is 97. We should stay right near there, maybe a degree or two above, but not a lot. Now, the tropics, very busy today, although there's not a named storm on the Atlantic side. We've got 3 systems, one in the Caribbean, one in the middle of the Atlantic, and one still over Africa, but expected to emerge into the Atlantic over the next couple of days. Let's start with this one, the one that's closest to us and the one of most concern. And if we take a look, it's got a 60 to 80% chance of developing over the next 2 to 5 days. It's been moving about 20 miles an hour, but it's expected to start to slow down. And when that happens, then we could see some development. In this area right over here, it's kind of the prime breeding ground for stuff. So we have to watch that. Now, the models are all over the place. There's a trough going by to the north. If it picks it up, it'll pull it up into the Gulf. If it misses, it could stay way south. So a lot of possibilities, and we're certainly in that window that stretches from Florida all the way to the Pacific Ocean right now because there's just tremendous uncertainty. This system has a very good chance of becoming at least a depression and continuing to grow. The models take that over into somewhere in the southwestern Atlantic over the next couple of days. And the system coming off Africa, nothing now, 30% over the next 5 days. But once it gets into the central Atlantic, conditions kind of taper off. So not big concern about that right now, at least. 75 tonight, an evening thunderstorm, especially in the western part of the valley. Then we clear out tomorrow, back up to 98. 10% chance or less of a shower. Most areas are dry, if not everywhere. By Saturday, we keep that stray shower in there, an isolated thunderstorm on Sunday. Your First Warn 5 AccuWeather the forecast says the rain chances increase early next week. That all dependent on what happens with that system number 1, the one that's in the Caribbean right now, has a chance to give us more rain next week. We'll keep watching it, have an update for you in the next half hour.